Well, here we go. We're back at it again. It is Friday, May the 15th, I believe. We're heading back to Mark Twain Lake, going after some spawning crappie on the bank with a cork. I'm not going to go off the bank. I like watching that cork go under. So we're going to give it another try today. So cloudy, overcast. It's 70 degrees, so it's finally warming up. We had some rain last night, inch and a half of rain. So I don't know what it's going to do to the fish. It might shut them down, but I think they're going to feed tonight. It's 3 o'clock. I've got to be back at the house by 6. So I'm only going to be out for about 3 hours. Probably less than that once I get the boat in the water. But anyway, going to give it a shot. Hopefully bring you guys some crappie catches. Hope you guys enjoying these videos. I enjoy making them. So we're gonna head to the ramp. Looks like there's a lot of trucks up top. So it's Friday afternoon. What do you expect? There's gonna be a lot of people, you know, in town right now fishing. So, see you guys in a bit. And we're back at it again, doing a little corking on the bank. Mark Twain Lake, spawning crappie. Got 3 hours to put some fish in the boat. Try this wood here and see if there's anything around this. There's one right there. Yeah, there's another crappie. Old male, he wanted that one. See how many we can get tonight. That's number one. Nice Mark Twain Lake crappie. There's another one right there. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a stud right there. Big old crappie. That's almost a Magnum water pony right there. See if we can get another one. Old cork was under. I turned my head a minute and looked down, that cork was gone. And he wanted it, there wasn't no doubt about it. He was eating. There's one right there. Little cork went under. That's a bass. My gosh, I'm catching bass. Grow up, big boy. Catch you when you're about a 5-pounder. Win me some money. All right, we're gonna work this bank back down. See if we can pick up a couple more. There's one right there. That's a bluegill. Oh, that's a crappie. Man, that is a crappie. The way it was running, I thought it was a bluegill. That's a nice eater crappie. Right there. Number 3. Let's put him in the box. The way that was coming at me, I thought, man, that's a freaking bluegill. But it wasn't. The sun's starting to come out a little bit. It's almost 4 o'clock now, so it's been cloudy all day, and I think the sun comes out, these fish are going to move in. And I always think there's a always think there's the wave of fish that get caught in the mornings, then there's like a lull in the middle of the day, and then there's some more move in later in the day. That's my philosophy on this bank fishing. Okay, that bird right there is just flying around. Dropped this big old crappie off. Look at that. We're gonna go up and get that crappie on the bank. Look, isn't that crazy? That's nuts. That bird had it right here and dropped it. That is crazy stuff there. Decent crappie right there. Well, since that sucker dying, look at this crappie. Look at that. I think it's alive. I think it's alive. It's been ate up. Look at that by that bird. Wow. Huh. Well, we won't let it go to waste. We'll fillet it up. That is crazy. Unbelievable. Well, anyway, we got that crappie. It was gonna die anyway. So we'll take it home, fillet it. That's part of our limit, so that's that should be 4 in the box. So you don't see that every day. There's another one. Just a good eater crappie right there. That was number 5. 4 that we've caught, and the one that the bird had and dropped it on the bank and flew off, so I wasn't going to let that. It was hurt, as you've seen, had a big gash in its back, so might as well take it home and fillet it. That last fish was the smallest one I caught today, but is a good eater. 10-inch fish. You know, this lake's been producing some great fish all winter long and all spring long so far. You know, I've been fishing pretty steady all of March and April, and it's been producing some dandy fish. Oh, and he bumped that one, didn't he? All right, here we go. Stop number 3. The last stop we went to, there was 2 boats in that pocket, so we're going to go to area number 3. There ain't nobody in here but a guy setting some bank lines for the weekend. There's one right there. Oh, pulled off. Wow, that was a nice one. There's another one right there. They're stacked. They're stacked in there. Oh yeah. That was 2 in a row. I stuck that last one, so I don't think this is the same fish. Let's get back in there and get another one. Man, that was immediate. We're gonna get back in there. That was 2 in a row. You all saw it. Stuck that first one. He come unbuttoned, and then that other one took it. So. They ought to be on the bank over here too. And they might have been in there because of the brush too. There's one right there. All right. I think they're here. That's a good sign. It's number 7. Yep, we're gonna go hit a couple more spots and then head to the house. Big, it's a bluegill. Boy, it's not on fire right now. I'll tell you that right now. This has been a weird year all the way around. You know, from all the COVID stuff, and the weather's been crazy. Fish don't know what to do. I think I've had 2 good days where I've limited out, you know, and not too bad of a time, but usually, you know, hour tops you got a limit when they're on the bank, but it's just been, the weather's not been. There's one right there. That's a big crappie right there. He ate that one. Look at that. Man, it's a big one. Thumper jig head right there. Pill head, 16th ounce. Right there, that's where you want it, right there. Wow. That's number 8. That one hit it like you're supposed to. All right, that's all she wrote for today. I think we got 8 in the box. So I'm gonna head to the house and have dinner and call it a night. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. We got 8 in the box. Pretty fun 2 hours out on the water. You know the crappie are not on fire like they usually are during the spawn here at Mark Twain with all the wacky weather we've been having. But you know, you still got to make the best of it. Get out, put a cork on, go out and catch some crappie. There's nothing like that cork going under. So hope you enjoyed this corking episode. So we'll bring you another one soon. Thanks for watching Strike 3 Fishing. As always, hit that subscribe button. hit that bell, get notified when I got new videos out, and we'll see you next time on the water. Later.